This is going to be another Flite Boy exclusive. And a P-47 is born. And that's going to be another Flite Boy exclusive. Top Flight P-47. Giant scale. G62 engine. Can't wait to mate in this one. Stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe. So that way you can get notification when she goes up. Wish me good luck. All right. As always, we the Flite Boys. We fly right and we go home. And I shall see y'all on the flight line. Hopefully with this big, beautiful P-47 Tar Heel. All right. Peace out. Well, guys, there you go. So I do truly appreciate y'all checking the video out. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you hit that bell notification, it'll let you know when I do the maiden flight. As always, we the Flite Boys. We fly right and we go home.